You wake up, grab your phone, scroll like a zombie, still tired, still vaguely dead inside. Yeah, that was me too. Until one day I tried something dumb, like really small. Took 2 minutes, didn't even leave my bed, but it reset everything. Let me show you. Here's what I do. Before the noise hits. Step 1. I sit up on the edge of my bed, feet on the floor, hands on my lap, back straightish, eyes closed, not meditating, not manifesting, just not spiraling yet. Step 2, I breathe. 10 deep breaths, slow, through the nose, no phone, no soundtrack, just me, pretending I have inner peace. Step 3, then I ask myself, today's a new day? Do I want it to be a good one or a crappy one? I answer it, out loud, not in my head, like I'm reminding my own brain who's in charge. Once I say it, I give myself permission to get up, not because I'm motivated, but because I chose. You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle. You don't need hustle. You just need a moment to check in with yourself. 2 minutes. Sit, breathe, ask, answer. Then get up or flop back down, but at least you chose. Sub if you need more of this kind of lazy clarity.